most insurance agents don't lose money over the phone. They lose money after they hang up because they can't organize their follow-ups and their CRM is all over the place. And that's exactly why in this video, I'm going to show you a system that books leads in for appointments, updates the CRM with their information, and automates follow-ups. And without any further ado, let's get started by hitting it off with the demo and calling the actual AI agent. And by the way, if you're a business owner who's heard about Voice AI but hasn't yet implemented it, feel free to book a 30-minute free consult call with me. I'm only accepting 2 people per video, so if that sounds like you, go ahead and grab your spot. What I'm going to attempt to do right now is call this AI demo agent over here, which will go ahead and show up on these 2 calendars over here. At the same time, and at the end of the call, I'm going to go back to my CRM, which in this case is a simple Google Sheet, and watch as it gets updated with the information of the call.
Hey there, this is Nick from DriverSure Auto Insurance. How can I help today?
Yeah, hey Nick. So a friend recommended me to you guys. I was looking to see if I can go ahead and schedule a consultation.
Absolutely, I can help with that. Our consultations are 45 minutes. Would you like me to check what times are open? Or do you have a preferred day and time in mind? And may I have your full name to get started?
Yeah, my name is Azim. That is spelled A-Z-I-M. As for the time, I was thinking maybe tomorrow at, let's just say 4 p.m.
Thanks, Azim. I'll just need your full name to proceed. What's your last name? And to confirm you'd like tomorrow, Tuesday at 4 p.m. Eastern for a 45-minute consultation, correct?
Yep, that's correct. My last name is Kodirov, so that's K-O-D-I-R-O-V.
Thank you, Azim Kodirov. Let me check if tomorrow, Tuesday, November 25th, at 4 p.m. is available for your consultation. Azim, are you still with me? I'm ready to check and hold Tuesday at 4 in the afternoon for your 45-minute consultation. Would you like me to look up availability now? If it is open, I will just need your email and a brief note on what you want to cover.
What is the availability looking like? Is tomorrow at 4 p.m. available?
Thanks for confirming, Azim Kodirov. Good news. Tomorrow, Tuesday, at 4 in the afternoon, Eastern is open. Would you like me to book it now? If so, what is the best email to use? And could you share a brief note on what you want to cover in the consultation?
Yeah, my email is azim@gmail.com. So that's my first name and then @gmail.com. And then as for the notes, I'm looking for something comprehensive. So just looking to go general, really.
Great, I have everything I need. I am booking your 45-minute consultation for Tuesday at 4 in the afternoon Eastern under Azim Kodirov. Email azim@gmail.com with a note that you want to review comprehensive coverage and do a general overview. One moment while I lock that in. Are you still there, Azim? I'm just confirming your consultation details.
So did you book it in?
Yes, your 45-minute consultation is all set for tomorrow, Tuesday, November 25th at 4 p.m. Eastern. You'll receive an email confirmation shortly at azim@gmail.com.
Now that the call is over, let's go ahead and check out the calendar. Over here, I can see that I've been booked for 4 p.m. at tomorrow. So the DriverSure consultation with my name in there. So that's perfect. 45 minutes long, starting at 4 p.m. Now, if we take a look at the CRM, it looks like it's also been filled up with my name, the phone number, and an actual summary of the call. So it's going to go ahead and actually say why I contacted DriverSure, if I requested a consultation or not, and also include some of my details like my email. And so this also shows when I was added to the CRM, and it also shows whether I was booked in for an appointment. So that's world-class stuff right there. We were able to get booked in for an appointment and our details were logged in just a matter of over a minute. Next, let's actually go ahead and dive into the appointment booking setup. So this setup is made possible using 4 main tools. The first of these is Cal.com, which can connect to something like your Google Calendar, as we saw over here. And this is essentially a platform like any other appointment booking service where we can schedule meetings, consultations, and appointments. The second component to this is our CRM. Now in this case, this is a very simple Google Sheet, but all we're doing after a call is going ahead and adding a row for every new person that goes ahead and calls us. So this can be done with any CRM, whether you're using Salesforce, HubSpot, or something else. The third component of the setup is where we are actually setting up the agent, and this is what I kind of want to go ahead and walk through in a bit more detail. So there are many parts to an agent that you can set up. The most basic one I want to focus on is the system prompt over here. Now the system prompt basically lays out the personality as well as the instructions of the agent. As we can see here, it's split up into many different sections. So if I actually expand this, you're going to see that it has various different responsibilities as well as abilities overall. So some of its specific tasks include consultation booking, also claim discussion appointment booking, consultation rescheduling or cancellation, as well as FAQ answering. And so what it does is it basically has a set of tools. Now think of tools as kind of actions that have specific names that you need to call or activate in order to perform a certain action. And this brings me to NAN, which is kind of like the platform that's connecting the different pieces of the puzzle together. So this may look a bit complex and intimidating since I've put it in different colors and whatnot, but if you read these headings, it becomes pretty simple. What NAN is doing is it's capturing incoming information, it's routing based on the user's request, it's checking the availability and scheduling appointments, and down here is the system that goes ahead and updates the CRM, stores the person's information, and can also then place follow-ups using a separate branch. We can actually go ahead and figure out whether this person is someone that we should follow up with. We can connect something like Twilio, which just allows us to send SMS messages to anyone, and then follow up with that person. So instead of just booking in someone for an appointment, we're also storing them in our database. But besides appointment booking and storing them in our database, we're also going ahead and automating follow-ups when the time is right. And this is really what makes a powerful system, because as you follow up, you can also be updating the CRM at every stage. So you don't have to do anything manually, you basically just watch as your CRM is updated. And so these four components are really what make a solution like this so effective. And so now that we've walked through the demo as well as the tech, let's go ahead and actually see what this could do for real insurance agencies and what kind of outcomes this can drive. And so over here, let's imagine this fellow's name is Bob. And so what Bob does is he runs the typical insurance agency. He buys a bunch of leads. Sometimes they're as expensive as $130 per lead. He and his team desperately try to close those leads every day. And even though they have a lot of leads, if we look at the numbers here that determine the clear divide between agencies that are successful and agencies that are not, we will see that they might be getting the same number of calls per month. That's very interesting because Bob thought that the solution to his insurance agency's troubles was to buy more and more leads. But there's really no point in buying more and more leads if you're not following up with them after the first call. And so with Bob's insurance agency, he constantly complains that around 39% of calls are never properly worked. This means that you're buying a bunch of leads, and you're practically selling out 39% of them after the first call. And the painful truth is that more than 1 in 5 of those missed leads could have closed. So Bob is losing around 1/5 of those 40% of missed calls, so he's losing around 8% of his clientele. And so this means that Bob might be losing around 26 policies per month. And so if each one of the commissions is even around $600, Bob can be losing around 5 figures per month. And the most painful part is that he's still spending all of this time on follow-up, but he just can't catch up with everyone. But in contrast, an agency that's getting the same number of calls is losing far less leads because only 10% of them are slipping through. And that's usually because people aren't responding or they're no longer interested. And so leads that would have otherwise converted are actually recaptured through instant response and that nurture I was talking about. 5 to 7 policies, of course, are lost because some people are not interested. And so Bob is left wondering, how is somebody that doesn't have more leads than me managing to recover all of those deals and getting some extra revenue per month? And more importantly, how is he managing to get this while working less than me on the follow-up and the data entry? And now this is where we meet Arnold. Arnold is kind of like a 1% agency owner. He's that guy who has pretty much everything mastered. Over here, he's holding 2 barrels. The first of them is the automated appointment booking and the acceptance of that first call. And the second one is the automated follow-up. And the second one is the automated follow-up and data entry. So there's no doubt that when you look at the numbers, Arnold is clearly outperforming Bob. No offense to him, but the numbers are just not looking good for him. And so with this slightly unserious example, I hope you actually understand what kind of wonders this type of system can contribute to, and how top insurance agencies are working less and earning more. So once again, whether you're a business owner or somebody operating an insurance agency, feel free to go ahead and book that free 30-minute consultation call. Over there, we will discuss how you can become more like Arnold, but on a serious note, help you automate your calls and follow-ups, if it sounds like a good fit. Now, I appreciate you for watching until the end of the video. It's clear that those who watch until the end of the video are the ones who are most committed to this. So I really appreciate you for taking that time, and I hope that the chance for a 30-minute free consult is helpful to you. I should note though that I'm taking on only 2 people per video, so if you want to talk, be fast. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.